This is going to show you how to create a a box and whisker plot based on the question about the depth of snow at a ski resort. I'm also going to show you how to find some of the measures of dispersion. The question asks for the range, the medium, the lower quartile, upper quartile, interquartile range, and also for a box and whisker plot. So let's get started by pressing Stat, and then we press Edit, and we come up with our list. Now, I've got some other crap in here, so I'm just going to delete that by going straight to the top here, press Clear, arrow down, and then I'm going to enter in the data, which is depth of snow in centimeters. So here we go, 30, 75, 125, 55, 60, 75, 65, 65, 45, 120, 70, and 110. Okay, now I've entered all of that data now. So now I want to do a test on it. So I'm going to press the Stat button again, but this time I'm going to go across to Calc. And it gives me all these different, I'm just using a one variable statistic test. So I'm going to press Enter straight away. And it's asking me which list is my data in. Well, it's in list 1. If it wasn't in list 1, you would have to remember how to do that. So say, for example, I get rid of that. Reminding you how to enter list 1. You need to use the blue and then 1, because I'm going for that, list 1. You'll notice here's list 2, here's list 3, here's list 4. So I know that I've got it in list 1. Frequently list, I don't have a frequently list because I entered in the data one at a time. There was no frequency table. So I just go straight to Calculate. And there we have everything I need. So the mean, but didn't actually ask me for the mean. 12, yes, because it was for 12 years of data. So the minimum value was 30 centimeters. The lower quartile, 57.5. The median, it asked me for that, 67.5 centimeters. The upper quartile, 92.5. So if you want to find the interquartile range, you just subtract those two to get that range. Here's the maximum. Now, it did actually ask me for the range, so I need to find the deepest snow and the shallowest snow. Just subtract that from that to get the range of depth. And that's everything I need from that bit of information from that screen. Now, from this data, I need to make a whisker plot. So now I'm going to go to Stat Plot. Okay, so blue here, Stat Plot. Make sure plot 1 is on, and I have to choose what sort of graph I want. So here you've got different graphs. Make sure you choose this nice looking box whisker thing. And you'll also know to ask me here for the list again. L1, it's already in there. Now here, the frequency, I need to press 1 because I didn't create a frequency list because I didn't have a frequency table. This 1 means that I entered the data in 1 at a time. So for every value, I entered it. Okay, so that has to be 1. If you had a list, it would be different, but make sure that's 1. All it's saying is that I entered in the data 1 at a time. So every single entrance was in there. So I have everything I need now. So I can just press Graph, and voila, that's not what I want. Great. So problem solving mode here. Obviously this is not correct. So I'm just going to go to Zoom and scroll down because none of this is relevant. And now this is what I want. I want stats, Zoom stats, and hopefully there we go. It gives me the exactly what I asked it for, which is the box and whisker plot. Now it's very pretty, but it doesn't tell me anything, so I need to be able to trace it to get some information. So here I can scroll back and forth. That represents the minimum value. This line here represents the lower quartile. Here's the median. Here's the upper quartile. And here, of course, is the maximum depth. And there you have it. Hopefully, I wish you lots of happy box whiskering, plottering. Bye.